When I walk into a factory floor, I see data everywhere. But then you ask a very simple question, how efficiently you are running. No one can give me that answer.
FactoryEye, By Magic Software, transforms the production process for mid-sized manufacturers by integrating advanced technologies with legacy machines and systems. FactoryEye centralizes manufacturers' production data and turns it into actionable information.
What we find many times with mid-sized manufacturers is that it's not as data-driven as it should be. How do you take that data and make actual business improvements?
We're creating a path to a smarter factory using Industry 4.0, which, by the way, has been around for over 10 years, but the mid-sized manufacturer has not been able to take advantage of it, being able to take advantage of our ability to pull all the information you have in the entire company together and making it accessible and usable. Instead of just masses of data, we have the ability to give you only the information you need to make actionable decisions.
The FactoryEye approach allows manufacturers to see an immediate return on their investment and to make incremental adjustments as they continuously improve process on the factory floor.
Every single time we promise something, we deliver it. We don't miss.